How y'all doing? It's your boy Wade. Um, I want to give a shout out to all my niggas. Give a shout out to Oot Bay. Shout out Snapback. Shout out David too. Shout out Mike. Shout out Kill Switch. Shout out Slip and Slide. Shout out Oot Bay. Shout out DJ Payne. Shout out DJ Horse. Shout out motherfucking Money Mark. Shout out everybody been affiliated this year, getting to this music shit and helping me on the way on my journey. We've been celebrating like a motherfucker. Let's continue to do so. I want to shout out to all my niggas that I didn't get to shout out. I want to shout out to all my niggas B-Lo, Trail, Thug Poet, Scooter, a.k.a. Audacious, motherfucking Lil Pool. Hey, all the niggas is affiliated with me with this rap shit, you know what I'm saying? My nigga Throne Smiley, he don't rap, but you know what time it is. We get it, my nigga, we get it. We really in the streets, nigga. Read about me, nigga. This shit is real. Hey, to all you rappers too, man, thinking that, oh man, I can flow. Some of y'all feel like, oh, I can flow better than him. Hey, my nigga, look. It's about that nigga who's rapping. You feel me? Understand? You can learn something. Just listen. Stop being ignorant. You feel me? Keep an open mind. And females, you don't gotta downgrade yourself or disgrade yourself to make it in life. Use your motherfucking brain rather than your body. I'm just saying, if you have to use your body, I'm not judging you. Do what you gotta do, baby, but make that paper and do it in an intelligent way. People will respect you at the end of the day. You understand? Hey, shout out to Coalition CLT. All you haters, KYMC. We get money around here. I want everybody to tune in. Stay tuned in for the 6 hoes and a couple of bitches. The orgy, the Chainsaw Massacre. The wait is over. Mr. Nigga Now Volume 1, no pad, no pen. All this shit is on the way. Keep your motherfucking ears open. Hey, and go holler at your boy. Check me out on my Wait page on Facebook. Check out Wait. Check out Philip Wait Ward. That's my motherfucking regular page, personal page. Holler at your boy. Friend me. If you don't friend me, it's okay. Go to my Wait page. Press like button. If you like what the fuck I'm saying, like my music, go to Wait page. Check out some of the shit I got coming. You want to check out some more music? Go to Reverb Nation. Check your boy out. P. Wait at Reverb Nation. Just like that. And go holler at your boy. Wait. YouTube.com. Got all kind of little behind the scenes. Me fucking around, acting stupid, saying silly shit like now. You know what I'm saying? You can go in there and get your laugh on or whatever. You feel me? But I got something on that motherfucker to keep you entertained. So go holler at your boy. Like I said again, it's Reverb Nation. PD Wait. PDW8.com. Check your boy out at Wait. YouTube.com. Check me out at Wait. That's my artist page on Facebook. Just wait. Check it out. If you like it, press like. Go to my motherfucking personal page. It's Philip Wait Ward. Holler at your boy. And like I said, man, it ain't a grind if you don't put in time. Now get it while it's fresh on your mind. Peace.